Hello friends, I am Robbie Lou.
Five tiny ducklings went out to play by the blue pond on a sunny day. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." But only four little ducklings came back. One, two, three, four. Four tiny ducklings swam away, splashing and laughing all the way. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." But only three little ducklings came back. One, two, three. Three tiny ducklings waddled along, quacking softly a happy song. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." But only two little ducklings came back. One, two. Two tiny ducklings went to explore, looking for fun by the shore. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." But only one little duckling came back. One. 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 One tiny duckling went to see what was behind the big green tree. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." But none of the little ducklings came back. Sad Mama duck went out that day, searching for them along the way. Mama duck called, "Quack, come back." And all five little ducklings came back.